Hey y'all, I just have another quick dinner recipe that my family loves. It's just chicken avocado burritos. We've got some old El Paso burritos, some chicken fajita that we had already cut and diced up, some avocado, and chicken verde salsa and sour cream. Real quick, I'm just gonna throw these in the air fryer because I use the air fryer for every meal, and get those cooked up, and then we will assemble. I'm cooking these 400 for 10 minutes. Oh, that looks really good. Nice uncrust fire. We're gonna get this out of the air fryer and put it in a bowl so it'll be easier for me to assemble the burritos. All right, I'm dumping my chicken into the sauce, which is 1/2 cup of salsa verde and 4 tablespoons of sour cream. Now I've got my tortilla. I'm going to spread some avocado on it because you can't have a chicken avocado burrito with no avocado. That's just my opinion. The more the merrier. Spoon my chicken and salsa mix on here. And then just sprinkle some cheese. And I'm going to roll this up and get it in the air fryer. All right, after you got them all wrapped up and they look like this, we're going to put them in the air fryer for 400 for 12 minutes. There we go. Let me put these in here real quick so we can get them cooking and rocking and rolling. All right. And we're just gonna get these going. Now that these beautiful golden crispy burritos are done, I just topped them with sour cream. And like always, you can always add your favorite sides to them, whatever your family likes. And go enjoy dinner. I'll see y'all next time.